Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I'm with James today. We have a special guest and we are here to announce our little project.
Well, it's a special project.
It is a very special
project. We've been working
project.
on since, God, when did we start? Sort of first came about just before Christmas.
I think that was when they first sent us the message before Christmas. We are launching our own little collection with Goose and Gander, and we're wearing some of the stuff now, and a few of you I think have noticed on social media. Okay, so I guess the most important thing you need to know is this collection is launching on Monday the 12th of July, but it is a limited edition collection. It's only running until the end of July, so it's not going to be around forever.
Not long at all.
It's literally going to be there for like, what, three weeks? And also as well, something to mention, the first 1,000 orders are getting some limited edition stickers, because Goose and Gander do stickers, I think, with like most of their stuff. Like a lot of their collections, they do like little sticker sets. I will put a picture of our sticker set on the screen, or like insert a little video of them, because again, we're still waiting for the stickers to arrive to us and we didn't quite get them before filming this video. But these are our limited edition stickers that the first 1,000 orders will get. So if you want to stick them on, I don't know, anything,
phone
your
case, laptop, anything,
your phone
like
case. Should we just get into a little bit of the backstory?
Yeah,
Because
let's get into it.
this all started with James, which is why this is a collection with the both of us.
Long story short, years ago, I saw one of the hoodies just advertised like on Facebook and stuff like that, and I was just like, oh, that looks really, really nice. I actually asked for two of them for Christmas, so got both of them. I absolutely loved them, and ever since then, it has become like my favourite brand. Absolutely just love wearing, and pretty much my whole like sort of wardrobe now is literally like Goose and Gander.
Honestly, it is.
Pretty much, yeah.
You were wearing one of their hoodies. I think it was on like our second or third date or something. And I was like, oh, I like your hoodie. Where's that from? And then you were like, oh, it's this brand called Goose and Gander. And then I think maybe like a year later, James bought me one of their hoodies for...
Wasn't it that Christmas?
Maybe it was. It's in one of my videos.
Yeah.
They then discovered us from there. And since then, Goose and Gander have been so nice. Like, they're such a nice team.
Yeah, we've had like quite a good relationship with them. Just previous before, just sort of when we can, like whenever we wore their stuff, we just put sort of posted just to show love, because they are a growing brand.
You guys might remember, if you watched one of the PO box unboxings or like PR hauls that me and James did, they offered to send us both stuff, which is so nice of them, because obviously nice, like James isn't a social media person.
I'm no influencer. Yeah. Like, let's be honest, I'm no influencer. It's not my job. It's not what I do. I was so grateful for them to just be like, oh, we can send James some stuff as well. That
was so nice of them. Like, they knew how much James loved the brand, and for them to offer to like send him a few bits, I thought was so lovely. And so then we didn't think that this type of thing, like doing our own collection, would ever come about, but they sent me the Instagram message. I'm actually going to find it now. I think it was just before Christmas. Oh, you know what? It was actually back in September. Hey Soph, hope you're well. Just emailed your management about a potential collaboration with you and James creating a limited edition collection with us. Really looking forward to hearing from you guys. And here we are today, wearing our limited collection. How cool is that?
It's so cool, considering that
you were so excited.
I was literally like, but I was bouncing off the walls, and sort of like when this started,
we both were, to be honest. Like, we were both so excited. They are a smaller independent brand, so they're not like a fast fashion company or anything. Everything that they make is made to order in the UK, so we got to actually go and visit their like warehouses / factory a couple weeks ago when we did the shoot, and everyone working there is sort of like, you know, putting the sweatshirts onto the embroidery machines, programming in the embroidery machines. Like, everything is made to order. It's not sort of like mass produced.
It's owned by a couple called Marion and Ollie. They started it as they were just about to go into uni, or when they were at uni.
Yeah, I think so. And everything is really lovely quality. Like, you've got hoodies, and I've got hoodies in my collection that I've had now for like a couple years. You've got stuff that you've had for years, and they're still going strong. So it's all really lovely quality stuff, and we love that, you know, everything is sort of made to order, and any returns that they have, they don't just scrap stuff. They will put them into mystery boxes and then sell those, so that like nothing goes to waste. Their packaging is recyclable. We've actually got an example. Yeah, so it comes in these packages.
So they, what was it? It was craft paper. I think it's some sort of, it's all 100% recyclable. It does say just down there.
Shall we just dive into the collection?
I think so.
So,
you know what? Let's just show what we've actually got on at the moment.
So what we're wearing at the moment, so we've got 2 different designs. We've got the multi-lines design, which I'm sporting right now.
I don't know if you could sort of
I will zoom in and do some close-ups and overlay them. And then we've also got the Goose design, which James is wearing.
Which I don't know if you can see.
Yeah, I'll zoom in a minute. And those come in sweatshirts, T-shirts and hoodies. So those are like the, you know, the main things that Goose and Gander are known for. Everything is unisex sizing, and our stuff is going from a size small to size 2XL. I will put some sort of like measurements and the conversions of the sizes on the screen. Like I'm wearing a small right now, and I'm like a size 6 to 8, probably more of like an 8 now. And on me, like, I don't know if you can see, it's like oversized.
I like the t-shirt. I'm wearing a large, and it's quite, I don't know if you can sort of see as well, it's quite baggy, sort of still and everything like that. It's quite long.
So everything is a unisex fit. It's all like super comfy, slouchy sort of design. Nothing is sort of like fitted. So we've got the hoodies, the sweatshirts and the t-shirts. We've also got caps. James is wearing one of them right now. Do you want to pass me the other one? So we have caps in black and sand.
Which will just have the Goose logo on it. So it's sort of like a multicolored sort of pastel Goose look.
I love this cap.
Yeah, I love it as
They're
well.
really nice.
I've been wearing this so much.
If I just zoom in. So can you see the little goose on the cap?
It's probably best if I...
And then, yeah, if you show yours as well. Little pastel goose.
So the little pastel goose and everything. This is the same logo that is going on to the tees as well.
Do you want to just quickly show, if you move your t-shirt into shot? Yeah, there we go.
If you could just sort of see here, same sort of thing
The little
on the
pastel
tee.
goose, and then I'll show you mine. So this is like the pastel multi-lines design.
Right, so after the cats we've got bags. So we've got rucksacks. We have got tote bags. Tote or toque?
Tote.
Tote.
Did you think it was...
I thought it was called tote bags.
You thought it was a tote bag?
We've got lanyards, we've got key rings.
And we got socks.
And we've got socks, most importantly. Oh, I haven't got mine.
Ta-da!
So first of all, let's do
the hoodies first. I will leave all of the prices for everything down below and the sizes and everything, and basically all of the information will be down below. I would recommend following both of us on our social medias because, you know, we can answer any questions that way and update you. And we will also be going live on James's Twitch this evening. So just after you've watched this video probably, we will be live to answer any of your questions over on James's Twitch, which I will leave down below and I'll put it on the screen.
We'll only be live for a couple of hours, obviously, because
there's a football match on.
Because England's playing, it's coming home, isn't it? So,
in terms of the designs, we actually started out by putting together some mood boards of stuff that we really liked from Goose and Gander and what sort of things we wanted to see. So we both loved the embroidered stuff, and we actually had a few Zoom meetings with Marion and Roy is actually the graphic designer from Goose and Gander.
And he's also
Marion's brother, and he was so great, and he sort of put together some designs for us and gave us some options to pick from. And the one that we went with that we both absolutely loved, he actually initially drew out the design in lipstick.
Well, actually no, all of it was.
So like the logos.
So on the logos, if you can sort of see here, the logo here with the Goose and Gander, that and the goose was drawn in his mum's lipstick.
Yeah.
So he actually got a piece of paper, got some lipstick and everything, and actually drew and just created this.
Yeah, and
with
did
the
loads
lipstick.
of cool designs for us.
Because obviously makeup. The fact is that it became just a little bit more personal.
Yeah.
Sort of like, obviously I don't wear makeup,
Yeah.
but I mean like it's so what Soph absolutely loves, and I love the brand, so it's sort of just the two things just coming together really.
Yeah.
I keep getting dog hairs in my nose.
You guys will see, I did actually record loads of the behind the scenes, so I am actually uploading... Pinky, do you mind?
Oh, I haven't got the black one. I need to go get the black one.
Okay. Yeah, so the behind the scenes and everything, I did actually film a vlog, and we've been sort of like documenting that along the way. That will be going on my second channel. I think that will be up on Sunday morning, so the day before the launch. We do have a selection here of like the colours, the different colours in the different designs, rather than every single colour in every single design. Just while James has gone out of the room, like, I know how excited he is for this and also how nervous he is, because I think, you know, obviously he's not a influencer or whatever, like this isn't what he does for his job, and he was absolutely over the moon when... Hello!
Some of the colours that we've actually got in the hood, well, this goes across all of Like, the whole collection.
Everything, pretty much.
So everything. So we have got the black hoodie.
Which looks so nice.
Black hoodie goes really, really well with the pastel colours and stuff like that.
It looks like neon, sort of. Marion was saying it reminds her of a neon sign, and it sort of does.
Looks really cool.
Really pops out.
So we've got the black hoodie.
White.
We've got the white.
Which again
the white hoodie
is so nice and so nice for summer, and the pastel looks so good on that, I think.
Really, really good. Just to say that these do come in both logos.
Yeah.
We've got charcoal.
I love the charcoal one.
Charcoal hoodie.
And all the hoodies have got pockets, drawstrings on the inside. They're really soft, and just like a classic quality hoodie material. They're not like that thin, stretchy material that you get sometimes from places. It's just like a nice
feel.
a nice feeling hoodie.
Then we also have
sand. Love this. Wait, move it over a little bit. It's kind of cut off. There we go.
Sand, and as you can sort of see, you've got the sand. With the sand t-shirt.
This is one of my faves.
So nice. And then also we have
baby blue.
Baby blue. It's got the Goose logo on it as well.
But this one does also come.
It does come in
the multi-lines.
In the multi-lines.
And same with the Goose. The Goose comes on those colours as well. But we just have a selection of like the different ones.
So
show that hoodie because it looks sick in the blue.
Yeah, so this is the baby blue hoodie.
The blue hoodie with the multi-lines.
But also I do have quickly a charcoal hoodie with the Goose on it as well. So pretty much that's what it will look like, sort of thing. So all the sweatshirts and everything come in the same logos and everything, same colours. Pretty much as you can sort of see.
Black.
The black.
Baby blue, which I'm wearing right now.
Yep, baby blue.
I absolutely love this colour. And yeah, I think like you were saying a minute ago, the baby blue was a last edition.
Sand and the multi-lines.
Lovely jubbly.
And then charcoal. So
very nice.
Then we also have
the t-shirts.
T-shirts.
Again, it's very like
it's all the same. So we've got the baby blue.
Oh, and also just to say, these are the original Goose and Gander tags because these were some of the samples that we got. But we actually have our own swing tags, which I will put a little overlay of. So it's got like our little Soph and James on it. But this one doesn't have it because this was one of the original samples that we got from the shoot. And the swing tags weren't ready yet. But we do have our own swing tags.
The white, charcoal. That's another white one. And then we also have it in black.
Is that the white Goose?
Yes, so this is actually the white Goose.
Very nice.
The sand. But we also have a black one in black as well.
It also comes in black. It's exactly the same as the hoodies and the sweatshirts and everything. So those are the clothing pieces. Pretty self-explanatory.
Other things that we do have are the caps. So they come in black and sand.
We had to have some caps in here because James loves caps, and also as well we thought because it's a summer collection, obviously we have sweatshirts and hoodies in here because it's summer, but it's summer in the UK. Right now, looking out the window, it is grey clouds and it is cold enough to be wearing a sweatshirt and a hoodie. And also I think if you're in the UK, like if you're going to a barbecue or something, you can't just sit outside in a t-shirt until the evening. You've got to bring an extra layer because it gets quite chilly. So we also have rucksacks. These are so nice.
So we only have two colours in the backpack. So we have the blue. It's quite spacious. It's just
like a
great backpack. They want to take it to work, school, just in general stuff like that. And it also comes in charcoal. So that's both of them.
They are so nice.
They are really, really nice.
Should I just give a little... I'll just zoom in. So this is the backpack. And again, it's got the embroidered logo. So everything is like embroidered. Yeah,
this only comes in the multi-lines and everything. So they're quite spacious. I use them a lot. I've got a couple of backpacks actually from Goose together. So
we've also got tote bags as well, which obviously are great for going into town, doing your shopping. I bring tote bags with me everywhere because don't be buying a 10p plastic bag. How much are plastic bags now?
Oh, they've gone up to like 20p.
15p. Whereas you could
20?
get this...
I just said 20. Oh.
Just get a lovely tote bag and use this for the rest of your life. They're actually really lovely quality tote bags.
Yeah, it's like it seems quite nice and sturdy.
Nice, sturdy tote bag. And so we have this one which comes in the baby blue or like the pastel blue, and then we've also got one that's like a lemon yellow. It's like a pale yellow sort of colour. We left that one at the shoot, so we will put a picture of that on the screen.
So the socks, pretty much they come in this packaging, which is 100% compostable. They're in these nice
zoom in
sort of colours. Must admit, on the shoot, I modelled these beautifully. They looked
Sure
really good with my legs.
They did indeed. I'm hoping the colours are sort of coming up on camera.
Yeah, they are.
It's the same colours that we've got on everything else. So it's like lilac, pastel green, pastel yellow, pastel blue. They're really comfy and they're really nice quality.
We also have...
We have Keyrings and Lanyards and they're so cute. If people wanted to get something from the collection but maybe you can't afford to get like a hoodie or a sweatshirt but you still want to be part of the collection and get something to like support us with our Goose and Gander collaboration, then we did Keyrings and Lanyards. So
this is the goose that is our logo.
there we go. Can they see that?
Yeah, it's the goose from our logo.
Focus on the goose.
There
we go. So this is the little goose keyring. And then we've got the lanyards as well. So you can just put your keys on this. If you're at uni, you can put your like uni pass on this. And actually the nice thing with the lanyards and the key rings is you can actually see Roy's original lipstick design. Because obviously with the embroidery, you can't like see that it was originally drawn out with lipstick. But on these, you can
really see
the original design.
Yeah, so big shout out to Roy.
Big up Roy.
Big up Roy.
Oh, and I forgot to mention as well, we decided to go with the pastel embroidery just because it looks sick. Like,
yeah, it looks
so summery.
It looks so nice.
We thought that it just matched really nicely with the rest of the pieces, I guess, and the colours that we picked. But we did go through quite a lot of different colours of embroidery until we got it to where we both liked it.
Yeah, sort of like, it's just so surreal. So surreal and like... Yeah, I don't know what else to sort of say.
Just to reiterate, this launches on Monday the 12th of July. It's only going to be available until the 31st of July. So at the moment, there's no plans to sort of restock anything.
These things are made to order. So it may take a longer time for it to get to you.
Yeah, they allow 5 days for the stuff to get made, and then because obviously it depends how many orders they get in, and then plus shipping times, which I think is like 2 to 3 working days.
Yeah, and also they've got to do other stuff for their other collections as well.
They're running other stuff as well.
So please be patient with it. It will get to you. And yeah, it's worth the wait.
Yeah.
It's worth the wait.
I hope so.
Yeah, it's worth the wait.
Where did our little cards go? Oh my gosh.
So yeah, we have our own little things.
We have our little like
little
cards.
collection.
Is that focused on the card?
I'll move out of the way.
It's got pictures from our shoot on the front, and then it says Soph and James, and then on the back
it's got the QR code, so pretty much says to find out more what happened behind the scenes and everything. But yeah, as we sort of said, I know I'm gonna do a shameful plug right here. Shameful.
You plug yourself, babe.
Yeah, so just on Wednesday, obviously you're gonna see the video. After the video, head over to my Twitch. We're gonna be there, sort of answering questions, anything that you sort of want.
I think that's it.
Yeah, I'm really excited.
Me too. Obviously, we would love for you guys to get pieces from the collection and be wearing stuff and support us and Goose and Gander. But I do just want to stress as well, like, I know that times have been pretty difficult over the past like year and a half with COVID and everything, so no pressure. If
you do get something from the collection, please tag us.
Oh my god, yeah, please tag us.
Please tag us. I want to see you guys wearing it.
Everyone that is watching this, thank you so much for always being so lovely and supportive and watching my videos, because otherwise me and James would not be doing a collab with Goose and Gander. And also as well, massive thank you to them and to my manager as well, Guy, and the whole team. Yeah, the whole team of Goose and Gander, like they have been so nice.
The photographer Colin,
he was great.
He was amazing. So he was good fun. Literally just thank you to everyone. Yeah, like I'm still like sort of struck by it all.
That's it, I guess.
Yeah.
See you soon.
Awesome. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.